You're under contract. Now what? You've made an offer. Your offer got accepted. Now what? Hi, I'm Ellen Wright with HomeSmart Realty Group and Properties with Ellen. I want to share with you 7 opportunities during the course of your contract that if you find out some unsatisfactory issues with the house, you can be protected. So I want to talk, the first one I want to talk about is your home inspection. So you have it and the inspection report comes back and you decide what's serious, what's not serious. You present to the seller what you want the seller to pay for, and if that seller comes back and says, I can't do that, then there is your opportunity to back out of the contract. Another one would be, let's say the house doesn't appraise out at the sales price that you offered. And we had a lot of that going on about 6-9 months ago. But if the house doesn't appraise out and you're getting a loan, a lender is not going to loan on the inflated sales price. The seller is either going to have to lower the sales price, or you're going to have to bring in the difference. And if you can't financially be able to bring in the difference, you're protected in that. Another one would be the title report. And so if something comes back on the title report, like if you're in a homeowner association situation and there's rules and regulations that you absolutely cannot live with, there's your opportunity that you are protected against. Another one would be is if the seller wants to retain mineral rights to the property and the seller won't renege on that and let you have the mineral rights, there's another opportunity for you to be protected during your contract. I'm looking at my notes. So country property, the well report, the septic report, those are areas that you have to feel comfortable with the reports that come back. Financing, all lenders order another credit report at the end of the transaction before they order loan documents and we go to closing. And if your credit score has dropped or something has happened and the lender cannot fund on that, you are protected to get your earnest money back. I just want you to know that. Here's the big one, and we can take care of this one right up front. The seller has to fill out, it's called a seller's statement disclosure, property disclosure statement. And you pore over it, and it's about, I'm gonna guess 4, 5, 6 pages. And if there's anything in the body of that statement from the seller that you have questions on, reach out to your realtor and ask her to go to the other side and get him or her, go to the other side and get those questions answered. And you know what? You have 5 days from the day of receiving that property statement that you can back out. I tell you, all of these issues that I'm talking to you about protects you as a buyer, and you can get out of that transaction and you can get your earnest money back. So I hope this has been informing and very, very helpful. This is Ellen Wright with HomeSmart Realty Group. Thank you. Bye now.